No, only ni pe edin kita. Se kase asumesia.
Okay, meba.
Sebi. Minye duane si. Akankasa o kasa. You're careful. You're very careful. So only ni pe edin kita, only ni pati. Na se o team pono e fine na wo ni die mani pa na. Untimi ntina won kan James asu obekan. Tie kasa na kan. Obekan asumesisia. Obekan sebi. Mese obekan asumesisia. Mese asumesisia. Ye ka wonu kura ye se ebu omo a. Wo no me jira ka se be ye comment me ka party the chef first go. What the chef first go? Oba ko playback of comment am here nra. Come playback of comment am here nra. Mami an kasa bebe. Only pay dikita obiri bia me ka che.
Only me be chebe no monyam.
Ah. Na wo nyam. Na wo nyam na ko che no nyam. Ye nyina ye pray no monyam che so ka pray no monyam.
Ka say party na me che.
O say busa na man. O pa ko back. O tira me ba ya na o mu na say de mununkum bi asi usu no. Me na me be run the comment ro ama party che first. Ishaku mi ka say me na film. Me na kudus me ka say ontimi na free day ebobo.
Juma yi mo ma free day Kwabena Asante ma na ye din o.
Oh, I see you for the I know you want say we the back omonka. No omonka say be hunu na nipa tum. I see you for when the omonka o. Say onu akra Kwabena ka say party first go back.
Ekua Oscar say good morning prophet. Omanhene no ujitum say me nyame din fa na me asra me.
Oh, obi nyame din dia na so mo keka ni say me fata kora nyina mo nyina mo do me nyame. Well, look at them.
Kwabena abutema me mo akwa. Omanhene Kwabena Asante atrasa.
Omanhene Kwabena Asante. Omanhene Kwabena Asante. Omanhene Kwabena Asante. What can I say? What carry I want? Omanhene Kwabena Asante. Omanhene Kwabena Asante. Omanhene Kwabena Asante. What can I say? What carry I want?
Asopeni Omanhene Kwabena Asante atrase. Officially Majeno Masafunim.
Yeah.
D4 penny Majeno. But he will be on probation for 6 years. On probation for 6 years. Ansana me hwe ni su ne ban a Majena tum asafunim kra. Yeah.
Okasa we are to say me yere obedi ne birthday 1st April. Me yere birthday 1st April be pufu dem because I go na no odi o. E jam wait pufu. Oh, so Efiba Mami chiwe bi a obi anu me child pe nyame
Obapa.
Nyame aduma 1st of April.
Kwabena boni full name.
That's Bema Mwana Danechi. Mrs. Efiba Asante Dako. Bema Mwa. Ne Bema o shat hadia obiema ne bod ni bawo. Mwa.
Abwakesi.
Oh, wodi matemba ma just abwakesi. Akwado ya. Na wa already post ya people ebudia. Ela do abwakesi apa. In advance. Diamano. And also surprisingly, uzo we ni dia na afia man kwanso ediso.
Okay.
Ana araba dia no so confuse me araba kumsi into yem say third was the fourth.
Oh, okay.
Mbako no we ya na eduku me so ye 14 na for Jesu ediso.
Oh, na so moto so
April very tough man.
Wow.
May number 17th of April.
Yes, we are in
May.
Yeah.
Oh wow.
7th May.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
And it's 7th May. They say
7th May.
Do no. It's an opinion. It's just the excitement. I me follow up my Ghana and EBM. But the only challenge I have, and they say, yen on my Ghana, me jiri say Black Stars. I won't can't near Hoden soon go on with their shame. I could do some penso, you know. So mining in our so retaso. Say no matter the situation we find ourselves in, Ghana, they be that you can was a achia, nensu emu ye no. We have to. Also, ba say in Kurumdiaba no obiya say or contribute to A or contribute to B.
Yeah.
You know, but say can kugo ne ba ya. No matter the performance of the Black Stars, I'm sure by now, from the president to the coach to the FA guys, and all those things. So as a country, ye padie jasu all the time, dodo. And Rome, we are fadako, and I'm multimedia fadako. It was built kakra na bedu ene empempenso a bibiri manum say o ka the oboni century adwuma edi mu pa ya multimedia abeka ho
over 25 years.
So it is not just a day. Ana so nyame hu ye mobodum yesi a enye emanim be the norm say biribia da na ye de ekobo ball ana ekosi akan ana ekosua de obi ekotronso a ye de ho ato nyame say onyame be tronso na ma. It's not true. Onyame ama enim dia ode adua sa nipa na enim sa abin 49 na only be gina blaster no my mo France omo so ombeko beyond the normal. Uhe ball on boy na nyoma mienu the love for the country and a to watch from Omwankasa boys Lankasa, you could feel that zeal. Ghana for
that hunger for success.
Yes, Ghana for Mr.
Hunger for
Ghana
success.
For Mr. And yes, afraid hey ho choker. That excitement should transform into all what we do.
Yeah.
Okwa Juma, better sister the Kwa Juma. Udu Juma, the assessor, oh yeah. Emma Ghana Timmy Ejina brand. Because ya mana reflective or ya brabo mudia. They be done. We want results, but we don't want to work for it. That's the Ghanaian. Upper results. So results now operational. He doesn't want to work.
Yeah.
Upper results.
Yeah.
And I'm surprised. It's been the physical for Black Stars including Dewi. It didn't come easy. What about draw Okrum? It was not automatic that Okohono Kwarunya go.
Yeah.
And a woman who didn't know Munyan Sanin Adom. A timid side by. They worked for it. They didn't sit and believe, say, they are professionals. They worked for it.
Yeah.
Let us also work for how we want to see Ghana. It is only immigration officer. We a person, we a soldier, we a centurion, we a jom, we a shoe shine, we a mason, we a carpenter, we a trotro driver. Obia a role to play in building this country called Ghana. We should not share our responsibilities here. There are as Messibi and as being team or team. Bribia the Nomona, Yedidom, Mea Bobra. Mesre, Blaster and Kunimdi, any cranshe, any addition can see pa, and farmer Ghana ni bia OTSM. Your contribution towards Ghana can also save Ghana. Number 2, Yama Kokobonia Shri and Koma our 42. Our 4. Ebraso say more from more so abano. Nipa do na ebejo 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, 6,000. Me do be ko presec, me do be ko wigi, me do be ko ni na misremo. De bia da ye kosoka. Wo betimi afranka wo nyina se. Computer placement is not time for cocoa season for bribery and for all kinds of connections. Follow the process. Just trust the process. And ade ba kwa enye ewo Ghana so no bibia so a shortcut bibia a shortcut emrano na sise
ye pe back door
that's it,
back door.
Everything that we are doing you want to cut corners.
Yeah
it's strange and you know when you're careful na meya you say school emo about computer placement no se be kake now ko ja ho kakra bi as a parent or a guardian. When my also be the 6 or 9.
Yeah.
Nobody in 4 than no quiet. Timesra for.
But what was that? Omanhene near one say Afibia.
Yeah, but
and we are not learning anything
because as I speak to you now, you can 3 and round or me complaints, ma'am. You are almost 3,000 cities each. Said don't be call school. Now how is it gonna happen? How is it gonna happen? Now we name the kinds of voices so I'm the rapper parents to that extent. Timisre, yeah, can say na be abeka say oh Debbie now the way ba mesre mo amadaro masika wona. Let's trust the system and let's believe say obi abenya placement ebe ma no ho ato na koma beto ne yem na bibia to atwa. We are in the celebration mood and I think that we shouldn't do anything untoward. See ebe say a celebration. Your players na be do or any omu team na be do. The sad aspect is say and Nigeria for near gidi
stadium hono or say honina. I'm to class say CAF member.
Yeah, that's what football
back also actually.
But say yeah, nyame amemkwana. Kumasi sports team baba ya hodom no. Omo mu twa ticket and kasa no mu nya kwan wuremu no. Almost there were thousands of people no more gate lechi. Ebinim the force the bura gate no more park
stampede.
Yes, it could have happened here. Let's improve.
If I say we share Facebook,
let's improve.
Then we see what Moshood Abiola Sports Stadium.
Let's improve it.
And the Facebook says here.
Let's improve
after
it.
Match.
And with this,
yeah,
sign will be most of these things they see what some of, especially the English Premier, no other matches we are a season, but who say copies are should buy we and papa
hooliganism.
The papa and the papa cry. Now me Adoma E-Levy. I think on the 1st of
April. Consideration stage now na ye drew na
and Timijidi say no if indeed it happens that it is true near rural E-Levy be any mudia abanso before passing of the E-Levy a lot of promises out the my and the E-Levy and yet the panacea but a major breather for us in terms of development and forward march as a nation. Abami musa signal singing na afi yentimi enko so telcos no meka ketu abi na achire mo service am provide my a lot of the telcos na e wo mo very, very disgusting. Inti my chance with telcos. The next time I'll be specific with the particular telecommunications I make on one
company. Yeah.
Because we pay for it and the service is very poor. Yes, 3 seconds. Bia, she will cast about
now it's all dropping corner.
Yes, give us the best of service because we are paying for it. Timidbesia, many 190 years, and then Kwan and who say, what Timini Maya Junior Yakasa Yaba Biako Kama. And Nuntino, the ambassador me and say, many a guy referee
why
referee guy the many a nasi ana a Newman ana a Mary Ganza you before the Black Stars onyame ad my be release first me and do I remember beka ho na what me aboy no what je munyam
me feature when you
because me say what me be nkomo ka and watch out
and why na try nyum no
me na me onipa me so be try nyum please I make sure kwanko nipa me so be try nyum na see the control na say Americans na say Newman
na see intime try
don't do that. That is the job I do. I've matured for the past 25. Don't do that. Don't provoke Kwabena. Please.
I'm not provoking. It's a
privilege to join this team to sing for the Black Stars. Don't provoke people, please. You didn't come over your way with say.
Songwriter.
But don't see writer song.